Namaste, my name is Anita. I am 7-1 Country Director, and today I'm going to give you a quick tour of our guest house and show you around. Please come. This is our reception, and this is Bimala and Pushpa and Rajendra. This is our living room, and we're planning to use this as a living room for the guest when we have a guest come. So everyone, this is our breakfast area, and our guests will be having a breakfast here. And this is our kitchen, and please come and I'll show you our kitchen in here. Hello. Welcome to our kitchen. This is our kitchen. Actually, this is Lakshmi. She's making a Lakshmi Didi bhanda cha yata heर्नु. She's making a tea. So now we're having a lunch. So this is masala tea, and this is also kitchen that we will be using for our guests, making a breakfast and lunch. We have a beautiful open kitchen here, and also you can see the garden from here. So we're very excited about this kitchen. Thank you. So let's come and have a look at some of our rooms. This is our one of the new rooms, a double room, and come in and let me show you. This is actually one of our big double room with a lovely space, and also some of the hand woven fabric. And we have a 9-room, and out of 9-room, and we have a 3 double room, and the one is with the 4 beds, and the rest is twin rooms. And so this is actually my favorite bedroom. This is one of our rooftop, and we're planning to our guests to use this as a early morning yoga place, and also there where they can come and maybe even have their breakfast and just chill out in a nice garden. And you can see the beautiful view from here too. Yeah. This is our covered rooftop, and this is where our guests can come and read their book, drink a tea, and enjoy the view. And also we have a bedroom with 4 beds, and I hope you can come one day and visit us. And we're opening our guest house very soon, and I hope you can come one day and stay at our guest house. And see you all soon.